Hello everyone, welcome back to ELC-Studies. Continuing with our exploration of Aristotle, today I will delve into the reasons behind his writing of poetics. So the question is that why he wrote poetics. Plato in his book Republic opposed poets and poetry and said they are useless. In response to this and to oppose it, Aristotle wrote poetics to defend poetry and poets. Also, he regarded poetry as superior. So, Plato's concept regarding poetry was that poetry is far away from reality, it is harmful, immoral, and it is like drawing. While, on the other hand, Aristotle's concept regarding poetry is he said that poetry gives us pleasure by defining beauty, therefore, it is not harmful. He said that it is true there is an imitation in it, but this imitation is not copying the photo. Instead, it is copying of inner self in words. He said that it is like a music. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned, stay curious.